Here I have Blackview BV6600, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So for this operation you will need this kind of tool to eject the SD card and SIM card slot. Like, you don't actually need this tool, you can hatch it with your nail, but if you have like strong nails, because I can't do it like this, I don't know, I'm afraid I'm going to break my nail. So like, I actually don't have like nails, long nails, but I'm afraid that I'm going to break it. So yeah, I'm gonna use this tool. So using this tool, I'm gonna hatch it here a bit, and that's how you can easily eject this slot. So here you can either insert two SIM cards, or you can insert SD card here like this, and SIM card here, and then put it back into your Blackview smartphone. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is detected. So let's enter it. And there's also a notification saying that SD card found, which is the proof that SD card is also found. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.